Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva mobile. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. You can see that I'm on the interface of Canva mobile and there are a lot of options here. So I'm going to summarize you the options, how to use them or how to combine them to make a beautiful work. Like you can see at the upper portion, like docs, whiteboards, social media, presentation, videos, websites and more. So by using docs you can easily create any documents. Like the examples are shown at the bottom parts. You can see the examples I'm sliding. Then if you go to the whiteboards, you can easily create any whiteboard animation using the Canva mobile. So here are lots of whiteboard templates. You have to just change the name or information. Then for social media there are so many templates here. You can easily use it for Instagram stories, WhatsApp status or Facebook covers. Then there is presentation, videos, websites and so many. You can use any of these to make any video, photos, images, documents, presentation, anything you want. So today I'm going to give you a small example. Like I'm going to make a video here. Let's use this template. So let's see how the video goes. So you can see that this is the video. You can easily edit this video according to your information. Like click on the edit. So you can make this tomorrow like this. Okay, go back like this. If you tap on the text you can easily edit the text. Like you can change the phone number, your website address. You can also change the headlines. You can also change the font style, or you can change the font color, size, anything you can edit here just using the templates. Then if you click the arrow button from the top right corner, it will be exported. You can easily download it from here. So this is how you can easily use Canva for many works. There are thousands of works you can do in Canva mobile, but if you get a premium version of Canva, that will be great for you. So this is how you can easily use Canva in your mobile. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.